In the lesson activity, you work with horizontal number lines and with vertical number lines. Horizontal number lines and vertical number lines are perpendicular to each other. When they intersect at 0, the point of intersection is called the origin. These intersecting number lines form the coordinate system, as shown in the image. You've seen how to find the relationship between an inequality and the positions of the numbers on a horizontal number line. In the lesson activities, you extended the rules for expressing inequalities on the horizontal number line to express inequalities on the vertical number line. Let's take a closer look at the relationship between inequalities and the positions of numbers on the vertical number line. The vertical number line. On a vertical number line, the greater number in an inequality is located above the smaller number. So if we have the inequality -1 is less than 0, the smaller number, -1, is located below the greater number, 0, on the vertical number line. Consider the inequality 4.75 is greater than 3.25. In the number line shown here, each tick mark represents a change of 0.25. So 3.25 is located one tick mark above 3. 3 plus 0.25 equals 3.25, while 4.75 is located one tick mark below 5. 5 minus 0.25 equals 4.75. As we can see, the greater number, 4.75, is located above the smaller number, 3.25, on the vertical number line. The vertical number line helps us see that every negative number is less than any positive number. That's because a negative number will always be located below a positive number on the vertical number line. So, for the inequality -1 is less than 2, the greater number 2 is located above the other number, -1, on the vertical number line. Fractions on the vertical number line. Just as there is a general rule for the relationship between the two numbers in an inequality on a horizontal number line, there is a rule for the numbers on the vertical number line. This rule states that on the vertical number line, the greater number in an inequality is always located above the smaller number. Let's consider the inequality -2 1/4 is less. To plot these numbers, we'll divide the segments between points -1 and -2, and between -2 and -3 into 4 equal parts. Now we can plot -2 1/4 and -1 3/4, as shown in the image. We can see that the greater number, the number to which the inequality sign opens up, -1 3/4, is located above the smaller number, -2 1/4, on the vertical number line. So, the rule applies to fractions on the vertical number line too.
So looking at this question, how would the numbers in the inequality 2 1/2 is greater than -2 55/100 be positioned on the number line? So because -2 1/2 is greater than -2.55 on the horizontal number line, the -2 1/2 is going to be to the right of -2.55. So 2 1/2 is greater than -2.55. So it's going to be found to the right of the number, of the less than number. So the fraction 2 1/2 will be to the right of -2.55 on the number line because it is the greater number.
Summary. In this lesson, you explored how the numbers on a number line relate to each other. On a horizontal number line, the numbers always increase in value as you move to the right. Any given number on a horizontal number line is always greater than the numbers to its left, and always less than the numbers to its right. A vertical number line is oriented from bottom to top, with the numbers increasing in value as you move toward the top. Any given number on a vertical number line is always greater than the numbers below it and always less than the numbers above it. We also saw that horizontal and vertical number lines are perpendicular to each other and can intersect at 0 to form the coordinate system. The point of intersection is called the origin.